If you're struggling with fragile breaking prints, this one setting probably is going to fix that for you. If you notice, all three objects have different number of wall loops, which means they have a different strength for each one of these prints. By default, you'll find that most prints start out with two basic wall loops right here, meaning their total shell thickness is very thin. So the recommendations that I have is, at a minimum, most of my prints start out with 3 wall loops. If I am going to be using this for stuff around the house and it's not just purely decorative, I may jump that up to 4. And if this is going to be a print that's used outside that takes a little bit of abuse, I may jump that up to 5 or even 6. The big takeaway that we need to understand with wall loops is the more we add, the stronger our print gets. Coming down here and adding a bunch of infill to my 3D print isn't necessarily going to strengthen it. If you found this helpful and want to learn more from our under 3-minute tutorials, make sure to hit that subscribe and drop me down a comment if you have any questions. Definitely want to get in and answer those as quick as possible. Thanks for sticking around to the end. We'll see you in the next video.